So hello everyone, welcome back again. আজি আকৌ লৈ আছো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে ইংলিছৰ কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নেৰেশ্যন Q&A যিখিনি তোমালোকৰ ফাইনেল এক্সামৰ কাৰণে বহুতে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। সো তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰিবা এণ্ড কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ লাষ্টলৈকে ভালকৈ চাবা। এতিয়া প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো চোৱা, অ'কে। Why are not you wearing shoe? The teacher asked the girl. My mother did not bring them down from the shelf. She answers simply. Answer this idea. The teacher asked the girl why she was not wearing shoe. The girl replied simply that her mother had not brought them down from the shelf. And next question number 2. I asked my friend why he looked so sad. He replied that his father was seriously ill and there was little hope for his recovery. Answer is question number 2 answer it, okay. I asked my friend why do you look so sad. He replied, my father is seriously ill and there is little hope for his recovery. And next question number 3. My friend said to me, I am very thirsty, please give me a glass of water. Answer. My friend told me that he was very thirsty and requested me to give him a glass of water. And next question number 4. Rina asked the boy what the matter was and why she was crying. She also advised him to be cheerful. Answer to idea. Rina said to the boy, what is the matter? Why are you crying? Be cheerful. And next question number 5. The gentleman said to the salesman, what is the price of this dictionary? The salesman said to him, it is a bit expensive, but I can give it to you at a 10% discount. Next answer. The gentleman asked the salesman what the price of that dictionary was. The salesman replied that it was a bit expensive, but he could give it to him at a 10% discount. Next question number 6. I asked the old lady where Professor Sharma lived. The lady replied regretfully that she don't know. Next answer. I asked the old lady where Professor Sharma lived. The lady replied regretfully that she did not know. Next question number 7, okay. The girl said to the teacher, Madam, I am weak in English and seek your advice. The teacher said, read the text thoroughly and try to express your ideas in simple, correct English. Next answer is right here. The girl told the teacher that she was weak in English and sought her advice. The teacher advised her to read the text thoroughly and try to express her ideas in simple, correct English. Next question number 8. Let's buy some milk and prepare milkshake for us, said Aruna. The milkshake we're drinking now is utterly tasteless. Next answer is idea. Aruna suggests that they should buy some milk and prepare milkshake for themselves. She added that the milkshake they were drinking then was utterly tasteless. And next, question number 9. He said to the boys, let us start at once, otherwise we may miss the train. He suggests to the boys that they should start at once, otherwise they might miss the train. And next, question number 10. Bimal told Gopal that he was the first boy in the class and he would remain so till he left the school. Answer to Swadia. Bimal said to Gopal, you are the first boy in the class and you will remain so till you leave the school. And next 11. Macbeth asked his wife whether she had a noise. She said to him, go back and wash your hands. Macbeth asked his wife if she had heard a noise. She told him to go back and wash his hands. So everyone's azir karne khimane and next video ami enokoi important. So everyone's azir karne khimane and next video ami kenokoi important grammar portions, important long Q&A, important short Q&A cover krim. So tomalike channel to subscribe kori lua aru video to logor kirar logot share koriba. So keep watching everyone. See you in the next video.